Teresa.
No, it is Sharisa Jane Lowe.
Insight
Name.
voices, please. Insight voices.
Okay.
Okay. You're a kids counselor,
Yes, that's true.
like therapist.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's her song? Oh.
Oh, but you have a different occupation by night.
Y'all, counselor by day, stripper by night. You know.
And you have removable
Not
hair.
actually, no.
You want to see? Like, girl, look at that. I should try to add some beautiful color for you right there. That's gold. That's honey blonde. Then you got little streaks in it. You see? But I'm borrowing this right quick. I think I'm gonna leave it off right now.
Okay.
It may fall off again. It's removable, like you know.
Okay.
Boom!
All right. And what are you going to be singing for us?
If only you knew. By Patty Bell.
Okay.
Okay.
Ricky like, oh yeah, know what? Tell her no music.
No
That's my
music. Just your verse. All right. Medea Vahia. What you mean? What? Didn't you just say Medea Afia? No, I said Medea Vahia. Oh.
Must have rehearsed my life. I shall be proud.
Oh wow.